Why does your scanner show the P2427 engine code? What does it mean? P2427 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas recirculation, cooling valve control circuit high. The P2427 engine code indicates that PCM has detected a voltage reading that is abnormally high on the control circuit that manages the EGR cooler bypass valve. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Wiring and connector issues. Faulty EGR, cooling valve, vacuum system, leaks, carbon blockages, failed ECU. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Audi, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.